I'm Mrs. Kroll, the new substitute teacher. You can call me Colza, except Flix. He can call me Mum or Mummy. Oh, not that he calls me Mummy anymore. Isn't that right, my little popcorn?
Mom, get off!
Now then, class. Mr. Ratsky has given me specific instructions. So, let's start with his favorite lesson, the complete history of cats and maths.
I thought you said nothing could ruin this for us.
Pinch me, wake me up. I'm dreaming, right? This is a nightmare.
At least the embarrassing introductions are over.
Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up.
But Flix, it's your mum. This should be fine.
This is not fine.
Only 15 laps left. Keep it up.
Can't run any more.
Hey!
Oh, sorry. Please don't tell your mommy, Popcorn.